Because I've had bees now for 42 years, and the overall vitality of the bees, it's a little bit more fragile. They're the canary in the coal mine. They're the best environmental indicators, I think, that we've got. So I'm Tim McGarry. This is Boquet Valley Farm and Apiary. The primary focus of the farm really is bees. We do harvest and sell honey, but my main focus is on breeding and raising bees that can survive in the Adirondacks without treatments. And that's been the challenge for the last 3 decades. Trying to raise a bee that can survive without chemicals, I think, well, it's just the same with, with our food production. If we continue the path of industrial agriculture, I think all we're doing is we're poisoning things, both the soil, ourselves, and I don't think that's a sustainable way. The one big challenge that I've seen in 42 years of keeping bees is the way in which the climate has changed. It's particularly hard on the honeybee based on their biology. A honeybee is focused on 2 things, survival and storing up enough food to get through the following winter. And when the weather, as a result of changes in the climate, throw curveballs at them, sometimes they don't do so well. The climate has been a huge challenge, probably greater challenge to me than the parasites that were introduced years ago. We can breed for resistance. Breeding for changes in the climate is a bigger challenge and may take more than just a few decades.